Good morning children and welcome to English class. Today I'll teach you a poem from your first flight book. The name of the poem is Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. Before I begin with the poem, let me give you the introduction of the poem. Children, this poem expresses the profound idea that the world will end in either of two ways, either by ice or by fire. Both the components are compared with self-destructing. The poem depicts that if we don't control our desires and hatred, we will definitely lead the world to destruction. So, with this background, let's begin with the poem now. Some say that the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Let's see the difficult word meaning of this stanza. Here, desire means a strong feeling of wanting to have something, and favor means to support. Children, in this stanza, the poet expresses the profound idea that the world would end in either of two ways, either by ice or fire. One group is of the opinion that someday the earth's core will get so heated up that it would lead to fire, destructing the earth's surface. On the other hand, the second group says that if the temperature goes down to an extent that makes life on earth impossible. The poet then compares fire and ice with the destructive features of human emotion, that is, desire and hatred. He says that from what he is aware about, he would favor the one who says that it would be fire. By saying so, he brings about the idea that the world will be destroyed due to their desire of having everything. Now, let's move ahead and read the second stanza of the poem. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Let us see the meaning of the stanza. Here, perish means to die or to end, and suffice means to be sufficient. Now children, here in this stanza, the poet says that if the world has to expire twice, ice would be equally competent in ending the world. The poet brings about a contrast between ice and hatred. The human capability of insensitivity and hatred has the potential for inner destruction. Though slow and steady, it has the same effect that desire has on us. So, if given an opinion between fire and ice, ice would be just as good as fire to destroy the world. With this, we come to an end of the poem. Hope you all have understood the poem well. Thank you for watching the video.